Welcome back, hunters. Today, we're going to see how we can use web archives to find files that have been deleted from a server, even when the live URL returns a 404 not found. Before we begin, this video is strictly for educational and security research purposes. Only test websites, applications, and domains that you own or have explicit authorization to test. Never access or disclose private information without permission. Let's not waste any time. Let's get started. So I've collected all the URLs from the Wayback Machine. Now let's filter them and look for TXT files. Let's take this one as an example. First, we'll try to open the URL. And as you can see, we get a 404 not found error. A lot of people stop here when they see a 403 or 404, but sometimes, a file that is no longer available on the live server may still have been archived in the past. In this case, the server says 404 file not found, which means the file isn't currently available at this location. So, let's open the URL directly in the browser. As you can see, the page doesn't exist anymore, but there's another way we can check whether this file existed in the past. For that, let's go to the Wayback Machine at web.archive.org. Now paste the URL into the Wayback Machine, and as you can see, this file was archived twice when it was still available. Let's open the timeline and select one of the dates when the file existed. Now, open the archived version. And there we go. We can see the contents of the file from that historical snapshot. In this example, the archived file reveals information such as a server address, remote address, and internal paths. So even though the file currently returns 404 not found, the historical version may still be accessible through web archives. And that's one way security researchers can discover information that is no longer exposed on the live website. If you enjoyed the video and want more content about bug bounty, reconnaissance, and web security, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one.